All right, I've got a threshold here that's looking pretty rough, and this seems to work really good for me to do the threshold, clean it up, brighten it up a little. I'm using liquid bar keeper's friend. I have a moist application rag. I have a very soaked paper towel to remove the excess barkeeper's friend, because it is somewhat acidic, and I have a scrub brush. So let's do half here and let's see how we go and how it does. See if you like the results. A little more out there, a little more for the job. All right, I'm gonna go with the brush first. Try not to go more than halfway here. So you can see the results. Gotta open the door a little here. Get inside here. No. Got a friend here trying to get out. Spread it down. Okay, there we go. We can see the results of a lot of dirt coming off of there. Well, that was a lot of scrubbing. Let's see what kind of results we get out of the deal here. Okay, I'm gonna just take the moist towelette, rub it in, rub it off kind of thing. See, we made a dent in this at all. Trying to keep off my other side here. I almost did the whole thing. That's just to remove the excess, and here's the wet paper towel to get the acidic content off. You want that off, because that is it'll just keep eating away at the surface here. Now, I've noticed that it usually takes about one application, and maybe two if you got a kind of a rough spot here. You can hardly see it. Just make sure you get all this stuff off, because it is, like I said, it sits and it's acidic. But let's look at our results here, see if you're satisfied as I am. Okay, here's the old. All right, here's the old. Oh, here's the transition and the new. So it's not too bad, not too bad. Looking pretty good there. Got a kind of chunky spots here. I think that's actually grout. So, yeah, that's coming out. Grout from the bricks when they did the house. So this has been a while. Okay, so once again, side that has not been done and the side that has been done. Okay, and that is Barkeeper's Friend Soft Cleansing, the liquid type. Awesome, works for me. Good luck, God bless. Oh yeah, big difference.